Remove the shim inside front brake caliper. And remove the front fork guard. Take down axle guards. Carefully lower the fork and ensure the brake rotor goes into the caliper. Next, align the dropouts with the axle of the wheel hub to make sure the fork dropouts are fully seated on the axle. Open the quick skewer and remove the thumb nut and con spring. Install the quick skewer starting from the brake rotor side of the wheel and then push quick release skewer through the hub and tighten the thumb nut until the quick release lever is held in line with the axle. Remove the nuts and bolts on front fork which used for fixed fender. Put fender on correct place and use bolts to hold it in position. Tight the bolts on both sides. Install the screw pass-through headlight in the bracket and adjust the headlight properly for riding conditions. Tight the bolt to fix the light and fender. Attach the connectors of lights. Take care of the shape inside connectors. Remove the 4 screws from the stem. Ensuring the linear markings on the handlebars are centered and handlebars are adjusted to the comfortable position, and tighten the screws with the assembly tool. Before installing pedals, please distinguish the left one and right one which carved L and W on axles. Install left pedal, please notice rotate the wrench counterclockwise. Install right pedal, please notice rotate the wrench clockwise.